In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to poll your school community. Conducting a poll is a fantastic way to engage with your community, gather insights, and get a pulse on what your members are thinking. Whether you're looking to make a group decision or simply want to understand your community's preferences, polls can be an incredibly effective tool. To get started, you'll need to log into your school account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone ready to receive a verification code. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage your communities and participate in discussions. Next, navigate to the specific community where you want to create your poll. You might be part of several different communities, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right one. Once you've entered the community, look for the Community tab. This section is essentially the heartbeat of your community, where all interactions like discussions, updates, and polls take place. Now click on the Create Post button. You'll notice this option is prominently displayed, usually towards the top of the page. Here you'll be greeted with different types of posts you can create, but we're focusing on the poll option. So go ahead and select poll as your desired post type. Then it's time to get creative with your poll question. Think about what information you're trying to obtain from your audience. The question should be clear and concise, inviting members to participate easily. Once you've crafted your question, the next step is to add your answer options. You can typically add multiple options depending on what you're asking. Be sure to create options that cover the likely perspectives of your community members. After setting up your question and options, choose the appropriate category for the poll. This helps keep your community organized, making it easier for members to find polls on topics they care about. It could be a category like general discussion, feedback, or a specific subject relevant to your community. Once everything looks good, it's time to hit the Post button. This action will publish your poll immediately, making it visible to all community members. Now your community can start voting right away. There you have it, your poll is live, and you've engaged your community in a meaningful way. Over the coming days, be sure to check back on the results and perhaps even follow up with your community on the insights you've gained. Polls provide a quick snapshot of opinions, helping you make informed decisions based on collective feedback. Thanks for watching, and happy polling on Skool!